We have a broken irrigation line, so I'm just going to take some cutters like this, go around the pipe, cut it. We want to make sure that there's no dirt in the lines. Don't forget to slide one of these on, a little clamp ring, before we put in our coupler. We'll just wiggle back and forth. We can use a pair of channel locks, but the shark bite's going to work so much better if you have one. We'll slide another one on this side. Clamp this down and we'll be fixed. And this part right in here, I don't want to squeeze it too tight or these can't break. So it's kind of like half a squeeze. And that can take a lot of pressure and we'll be good.